Remove the side panel. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws at the bottom of the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the 2 remaining screws. Reinstall the side panel.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.